step your feet out a little bit wider than hip width. And from here, bring your arms up in front of you. And you might do that on an inhale. And as you exhale, sit back into chair. Bring your arms down. So you're kind of swinging them back and down. And try that a few times. Inhaling up, exhaling back into chair. And if working with one move, one breath doesn't work for you, you can breathe however you like. So, of course, move at your own pace. And if you'd like to add something onto this, when you are down in your squat, you might bring your weight into your right leg. And as you come up, keeping it in your right leg, lift up and then come back down. Switch to the left leg. Come up. And just shift your weight back and forth between legs. And if you like that and you want to add a little something else, you might consider hovering your leg that is not bearing any weight when you come up. And one more option, if you would like to try something else, would be as you lift that foot off the floor, you might draw your knee up and pause there for a moment. And even one last thing, if you like things really spicy, if you're lifting your knee, you might straighten that leg out. Pause for a moment and then come back down. So lots of different options. And I think really focusing on control and moving through these movements, really paying attention to where your weight is at all times is the real focus of this. Take your time evening yourself out so that you've done equal amounts on both sides before coming back to center.